Good morning, folks. It is Saturday, February 20. Moisture from a van roof is gone. Now I could uncover. It's still cold. Temperature in our workshop, 7 degrees by Celsius or whatever you count in Fahrenheit. What I did yesterday, I built a bracket to a top of a roof, middle bracket and end bracket. It took me for 4 brackets 2 hours. Battery performance in a cold decrease. Folks, anyway, until noon it will be still cold here. No welding. I tell you a truth, I use for welding my 4 batteries what I have in. So let's take grinder and grind it. But first I need to feed my assistants. Let's grab more food, go outside. Okay, now everybody having nyama nyama. And Smokey, he is shy. He sits under a trailer. It will take time until I get him into a plate. Same like I got with Little. This is Little what I'm passing right now. I guess you will run away, but we'll see. Sanding. Well, sanding disc is completely out. Need to change that. Okay, folks, one side is done. Nice and shiny. This is outside of a top L channel. Inside, this is my weld beads on a both sides. Since it will be not viewable and it is structural, so I don't care how my bits looks for inside. In the sunshine, my cat was showing love to his little brother. Folks, L channel is already on the roof. Ladder is here. It is time to show you what I did, and that will be for an ending ceremony. Are you going down? I'm coming too. And this is my left L channel with a brackets. And this is right L channel with a bracket too. When I cover it completely, it will be a last position what I place here. And we come inside to show you what I done inside. Backside is already sealed. And now after I lay down L channels and the brackets, it is time for nyama nyama. Folks, enjoy your life, especially when you do long-term project. Thank you for watching. And now it is time to go down, which means in a diving language we go deeper. Good morning, folks. I tell you truth. It is Sunday today, and it is before sunrise. Before sunrise or after sunset, I always have moisture on the roofs. And I am very afraid of the water. Surely Kitty is waiting for me, and I am looking forward to get somewhere on my bicycle and have coffee. Okay, bicycle is parked. Let's cross the street. On another side of the street, we have wonderful swings, Gulf of Mexico and St. Andrew Park across that water. Sunrise over Panama City. This is Inside Bay, what is in about 1.5 miles from my place. And over there is St. Andrew Park. I think, folks, this is as far I could go from a shore. This is my turning point. It is cold today, and it is low tide. Sure, I miss my diving. Now I'll find a spot where to sit and have coffee. Now it is time to drink coffee with a chocolate. And the palms with a beautiful view. What I do have over here, a coffee, a beautiful view, and a good piece of chocolate. What I do have for today. Thermos is here, and everything what I need for my life in that backpack. First, around hot cup, I make my fingers warm. St. Andrew Park, just across that bay. Where do you see a boat passing through a channel? I'm done with the coffee, so thank you very much for a place. And folks, this is my bed, which made out of a composite material. It's super light, and it has good foam insulation under. So I lay down and get my vertebra relax after 2 miles walking around. Let me uncover and show you what I made yesterday. This is a back side of my back bow, and I already spray inside in some gaps. What I use, I extend a straw with a silicone pipe. What I have to do, I have to fulfill that empty aluminum under with spray foam. For work with a spray foam, I have to use rubber gloves. It's very sticky structure. I cannot control how it goes there. I just see by my straw or by my pipe. And that job has to be done around noon or a little bit before noon, when temperature gets high and it makes air bubbles to a maximum expansion. Okay, looks like that's all. And surely my gloves got very dirty. Last time I got it over my fingers and I wasn't able to wash it for 2 days.